Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Explain with Ikan. Today we are going to discuss about metaphors. What is metaphors, how many types of metaphors, and how does metaphors works? So let's start. Metaphors is a term used in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning to describe a particular type of algorithm approach. Metaphors is designed to improve the accuracy and effectiveness of predictive models by optimizing the performance of machines learning algorithms. In this article, we will take a closer look at what metaphors is, the different types of metaphors, and how it works. So, what is metaphors? Metaphors is an algorithm approach to improving the accuracy of machine learning models. It is a form of meta learning, which is the process of learning how to learn. In machine learning, metaphors is used to optimize the performance of machine learning models by adjusting their parameters and hyperparameters. The goal of metaphors is to make machines learning models more efficient and effective by learning from past experiences. The algorithm uses a set of training data to generate model that is then used to predict outcomes for new data. The model is then evaluated to determine how accurate it is. If the accuracy is not satisfactory, metaphors will adjust the parameters and hyperparameters of the models to improve their performance. How does metaphors works? Metaphor work by using a set of training data to generate a model that can be used to predict outcomes for new data. The model is evaluated to determine how accurate it is. If its accuracy is not satisfactory, metaphors will adjust the parameters and hyperparameters of the models to improve its performance. There are two main types of metaphors: algorithms, parametric and non-parametric. Parametric metaphors algorithm assumes that the models can be represented by a fixed set of parameters. Non-parametric metaphors algorithm do not make these assumptions and can adapt to any model. Parametric metaphors algorithm work by adjusting the values of the model's parameters to improve the performance. For example, if a linear regression model is not accurately predicting outcomes, the metaphors algorithm might adjust the slope and intercept of the rejection line to improve its accuracy. Non-parametric metaphors algorithm works by adjusting the structure of the models to improve its performance. For example, if a decision tree model is not accurately predicting outcomes, the metaphors algorithm might adjust the depth of branching factor of their tree to improve its accuracy. How many types to metaphors are there? There are several types of metaphors algorithm, each designed for a specific types of machine learning model. The most common type of metaphors algorithms are gradient based metaphors. This type of metaphors algorithm use gradient descent to optimize the performance of a model. It works by iteratively adjusting the parameters of the models to minimize the cost function. The second type is Bayesian metaphors. These types of metaphors algorithm uses Bayesian inference to optimize the performance of a model. It works by using prior knowledge about the model to update its parameters based on new data. Ensemble metaphors. These types of metaphors algorithm uses a combination of multiple models to improve the accuracy of a prediction. It works by combining the predictions of several models to create a more accurate predictions. Deep metaphors. This type of metaphors algorithm uses deep learning techniques to optimize the performance of a model. It works by using neural networks to learn a representation of the data that is optimized for the specific task. Now we will close our video here. Inshallah, we will discuss main types of trading in next video. Allah Hafiz.